Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage users in Appsmith. Whether you're adding new team members, updating permissions, or removing access, Appsmith provides tools to help you manage users efficiently and securely. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and open the workspace where you want to manage users. Most user management settings are handled at the workspace level, making it easier to control access across multiple applications. Next, navigate to your workspace settings. Here you'll find the Members or Users section, where you can view everyone who currently has access to the workspace and its apps. To add a new user, click the option to invite members. Enter the person's email address and choose the appropriate role before sending the invitation. Once they accept, they'll be added to the workspace automatically. And that's how to manage users in Appsmith. By regularly reviewing members, assigning appropriate roles, and controlling access carefully, you can keep your workspace secure and your team productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.